Hambirav Mohite was a prominent 17th-century Maratha general who played a crucial role in the battles against the Mughal Empire. He was a trusted aide of Shivaji Maharaj, the founder of the Maratha Empire, and later served as a key commander under Sambhaji Maharaj, Shivaji's son and successor. Hambirav Mohite was known for his bravery, military prowess, and strategic thinking. He led several successful campaigns against the Mughals and their allies, including the Adil Shahi and Qutub Shahi dynasties. He was instrumental in capturing key forts and territories, which helped expand the Maratha Empire. Mohite was also a skilled diplomat and played a key role in forging alliances with other Hindu kingdoms and chieftains against the Mughal Empire. His contributions to the Maratha Empire's growth and success are still celebrated in Maharashtra, India. Would you like to know more about Hambirav Mohite? Here are some more details about Hambirav Mohite. Early life. Hambirav Mohite was born in 1630 in the village of Mohite family. Military career. Mohite joined Shivaji's army at a young age and quickly rose through the ranks due to his bravery and military skills. He played a key role in several battles, including the Battle of Pratapgarh, Battle of Panhala, and Battle of Vishalgarh. Strategic thinking. Mohite was known for his strategic thinking and innovative tactics. He often used guerrilla warfare, ambushes, and clever maneuvers to outsmart his enemies. Key victories. Some of Mohite's notable victories include the capture of the strategic fort of Rangna, the defeat of the Adil Shahi general, and the capture of the fort of Kondhana, now known as Sinhagad. Diplomatic role. Mohite played a crucial role in forging alliances with other Hindu kingdoms, such as the Rajputs and the Vijayanagara Empire, against the Mughal Empire. Later life. After Shivaji's death, Mohite served under Sambhaji Maharaj. He continued to fight against the Mughals but was eventually captured and executed by the Mughal army in 1687. Legacy. Hambirav Mohite is remembered as a hero and a symbol of Maratha pride. His bravery, military genius, and dedication to the Maratha Empire have inspired generations of Indians. Would you like to know more about his specific battles or military campaigns?